Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to. We're gonna do this as a quick channel update, and sorry, I just moved my chair. Um, Mostly because I was live streaming earlier today, and I made some amazing progress. You guys will see that soon. But of course, lo and behold, my mic wasn't working for the first 20 minutes, and it would have been like the most mega awesome clip. It was perfect, but of course my microphone wasn't working. And so I did stream for like an hour afterwards, and we did some great progress. Also, a little bit at the end to tease maybe the next video. But yeah, so I guess instead we're just gonna kind of talk over and then do a little bit of a channel update. So first, I am building a mobile game from scratch. Well, I'm gonna try and build a demo. It's gonna be like an endless runner type of game, similar to Temple Run, and I'm gonna make it Islamically themed. And so you guys will. That's like a little tidbit. So I'll explain the lore, not in this episode, but maybe another episode. And and so yeah, I don't have any coding skills. I've never coded anything in my life. This is the first time I've ever done anything, and it's been really fun to build. One, it's been testing. It's just learning a whole different skill, and obviously I'm vibe coding, so everything is just fully AI generated. But I'm actually learning a decent amount, and it's just something kind of fun to do. So to give you some context, I have a mobile game business. We built a game called Epic Quest. I've posted videos on it in the past on my other channel, and I've been posting some more videos about it on this current channel here, because this is more of my gaming channel. And it's been really fun to do. It's just obviously like the mobile game business, the video game business is very hard as a whole, and so it's been just really tough to get it off the ground. And so I was like, you know what? Let me learn some skills. Let me actually make a demo, because I have so many ideas for other games, and instead of just waiting for my engineers to build games, maybe I should learn some. And so as you can see in this one, before going into this build, I had it all working. Right now we have, as you can see, I have a player that can run, and then I have obstacles. I have a score, right? It says 0 right there. There's an obstacle up front, and the player would run, and then obstacles would randomly generate, and then you can move around the obstacle, and then the score would go. And so as you can see, I just ran into an obstacle right there, but the score didn't go. And so everything was just broken, and I didn't touch this thing until Wednesday. And so what I learned to kind of help my to have because the issue was that the scripts, one, they wouldn't save, or they would replace scripts, because I was primarily focusing on using the cursor agent rather than actually touching the code itself, because I didn't know what to do. But hey, look, I actually made the score, and look, it's moving. But I don't think any obstacles joined, but it's a game over, so that's pretty cool. But so anyways, I was using the agent primarily, and the agent was, it would replace the script over time. And so I learned that what I need to do is copy the script, delete the previous script in the in the code, and then exit out, and then so it automatically save it, rather than putting in the agent that would replace the code. So sometimes it would delete the code. And so that was one of the most massive breakthroughs I've learned so far today, when it's been coding. And as you can see, look, now it's generating more obstacles, the score, the game over. And so that was just awesome. It's super huge. And so yeah, it's been really cool to build so far. I'm looking to, like I said, build a demo. So hopefully when this business kind of takes off a little bit more, we can hire people and they can build out the full flesh game. And so yeah, go download my mobile game Epic Quest. It's out on Android and iPhone already, alhamdulillah. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. My co-founder Hasib, he's built it with another engineer, and they've been doing a really great job. And it's been really cool to work on something like this. And so, and then yeah, I'm like, what? I can't just keep waiting. I want to dabble in, and so maybe you guys can join me on my journey. I'm gonna try and live stream multiple times a week. I want every single day, but that's just not feasible. We'll see if it happens. But okay, so see, I delete the code, I added the code, and I saved the code by exiting. And so now you can see it's starting to work. Look at me, a little dance. And so yeah, I'm super excited. And yeah, now here, right, I move on to the next phase, and so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what happened towards the end of the stream. So you can see we added color to not only just the ground, but the sky. also the obstacles as well. We also added a coin, and this was all in the same stream, which is crazy. You can literally do so much with AI. And so that will tease for the next video. But thank you guys all for who joined. Thank you guys. I think we had like 60 people watch my first episode, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, I'm gonna be streaming. I'm gonna try and stream like an hour and a half a day, sometimes more. I kind of got a headache at the end of the stream, so I was like, I'm tired. I did a lot of work. Let me get back on it tomorrow, and inshallah, we'll continue to build and get something, maybe even playable and on the app stores in the future. But yeah, go check out my other games, and yeah, I look forward to continue to build with you guys, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and keep working hard, and I know you'll be successful in anything that you do.